Welcome. Today we will study past indefinite tense. Number 1. She dashed a letter to her friend. The correct answer is option B, wrote. Number 2. We dashed to the park yesterday. Went. 3. They dashed a movie last night. Watched. 4. He dashed in the exam. Failed. 5. I dashed a delicious meal at the party. 8. 6. She dashed to school last Monday. Went. 7. We dashed cricket last weekend. Played. 8. He dashed me a gift. Gave. 9. The cat dashed under the table. Hid. 10. I dashed a song at the function. Sang. 11. She dashed a beautiful dress. Wore. 12. He dashed the door loudly. Knocked. 13. We dashed late for the meeting. Were. 14. They dashed a new house. Bout. 15. I dashed him at the station. Saw. 16. He dashed the truth. Told. 17. She dashed the window. Broke. 18. We dashed to the market. Went. 19. They dashed the bus on time. Got. 20. I dashed my homework before dinner. Finished. 21. She dashed her phone yesterday. Lost. 22. He dashed from the tree. Fell. 23. We dashed the match easily. Won. 24. They dashed loudly during the show. Laugh. 25. The teacher dashed us a story. Told. Like, share, follow. Thank you.